Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 4, Yori 0. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Sure, Steve.
Yeah.
Thina emfowethu. Sikhuluma ngabantu thina. Sibuye kuwitnessa into emnandi.
Yeah.
Muremi 2.
I'm
Muremi 2. Mbutuma 2. Mbutuma 2. Wamazi Mbutuma. Bafikile labafana bafethu. So today's breaking record.
Yes.
Basazi nge3.
Yeah.
Sede 1. On Tuesday, City 5. Yeah. Ilento sidume ngayo mfowethu.
7 on Lord.
Asina plumber, sine coach. We win the game second half.
Yes.
Yeah. All those games 45 minutes, 1 goal.
Yeah.
Lamani yaze after 46 upwards.
Yeah.
Mfowethu labafana bagijima abafana bePirates. Engathi badlichilisi mfowethu. Engathi badlichilisi pele se-India. Kudlala bobantu bosibisi. Amajita ba-relaxile bombokazi ebenchini. Bohoto bese benchini. Mfowethu iPirates iphethe squad. Ama-squad yayi-3. Asicompete nomuntu this year. Thina siwina ama-game ayi-6 asiconsidanga. 6 goals asiconsidanga. We score more than 3 a game.
I won.
Lwaphikiza not one. Not one. Shy one thina. Mfowethu. Sakufuna istadium sonke Orlando ne singakutholi. Sithi asilali nabafowethu. Sifuna ukukutshela umhlaba wonke ukuthi kwenzakaleni eOrlando. Because abazi without imafensi yethu emhlaba awazi ukuthi iPirates yenzani. Siyakudinga la ku football, ku industry ya football. You are playing a very important role in the soccer industry.
So next time I must never go to Chiefs.
Igame yabo iyabhora labantu. Ungasezi FNB mfowethu. Igame yabo iyabhora. Uzobukela i-Moroccan football ne-Spain football. It's mixed mfowethu. It's mixed. It's a joint. Udlale 90 minutes nomuntu. Udlale 90 minutes mfowethu. Athi ngishela abafowethu ne bathi ga sikhona ukuhamba siye le ya eMaraba Stars.